How to delete Pixverse AI video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Pixverse AI generated video on your iPhone. Whether you're cleaning up your gallery, freeing up storage space, or simply no longer need the video, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the Pixverse AI app on your home screen. So it's already here. Tap the app to open it. So once you're in, you'll see the main interface where you can create and manage your AI generated videos. Next, look for the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where all your created and generated videos are stored. So once you're in the profile section, you'll see all the videos you've created using Pixverse AI. After locating the video, tap on it.
Hello, you are cool.
So it's already here. Look for the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. As you can see, you have the delete option. Click the delete option. Tap confirm to permanently delete the video from your Pixverse AI library. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Pixverse AI generated video from your iPhone.